Hello, everyone. Very good evening. Today, let's quickly grab these beautiful expressions and words. Okay, so let's get started. The number one is पहला जो है हमारे पास it's agree to disagree. Agree to disagree means आप जब किसी चीज़ को किसी ओपिनियन को एक्सेप्ट करते हो accepting different opinions without forcing agreement means okay it's okay to have different views and you move on. आप disagree करते हो but it's okay you move on. And then let's catch this expression to bring into our daily conversation or daily English speaking, isn't it? I understand your perspective, but I still disagree, isn't it? Uh, let's catch another one. Uh, I understand your perspective, but I still disagree. We'll just have to agree to disagree. Okay, now the sentence would be like, अगर दूसरे तरीके से बोले, we spend hours discussing the issue, but ultimately we had to agree to disagree. कई दफ़ा कई different opinions आते हैं और आपको लगता है कि disagree कर रहे हो, but it's okay, you just move on. Okay, it's okay, ठीक है. Agree to disagree. All right, let's catch the second one. It's a very good one. बहुत अच्छा है. Let's see. Don't butter me up. Don't butter me up. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Butter me up. Okay. Don't butter me up. Okay. इसका मतलब आप किसी को अगर कुछ पाने के लिए किसी को झूठ मूठ का आप प्रेज करते हो प्रशंसा करते हो then that case you can use this. Stop flattering and being overly nice. है ना? Which means this idiom means you stop flattering. Okay. Okay, very simple way I'm going to say stop buttering me up, don't butter me up, isn't it? A student tried to butter the teacher up, मक्खन लगाना है it's a kind of that's a very good word जो आप बोल सकते हैं मक्खन लगाने की कोशिश कर रहा है she buttered up the teacher again but ultimately कुछ हुआ नहीं ठीक है that's learn this one इसको देख लेते हैं थर्ड वन फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट है ना फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट ओके इसका मतलब कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ये सुनने में आपको बैड लगता होगा बट ऐसा नहीं है इसका मतलब होता है टू एक्ट कॉन्फिडेंट एंड केपेबल इवन इफ यू डोंट फील द वे that way and with that same intention of eventually becoming that way मीन मतलब आप कोई चीज़ कोशिश कर रहे हो आपको नहीं लग रहा है कि आप इसमें कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो केपेबल नहीं हो बट स्टिल यू आर डूइंग इट अंटिल यू गेट दैट शुरू में जो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था या उस कॉन्फिडेंस को लाने के लिए जो मेहनत कर रहे थे उसको लाने के लिए जो मेहनत आप कर रहे हो इस तरीके से पहले तो कोशिश तो करो ठीक है उसको समझते हैं फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट I was nervous about the presentation, but I decided to fake it till I made it and acted confident. It actually helped me deliver a better speech. Okay? नहीं हो रहा fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. Okay, let's catch the other one. It's a very good one. है ना? Godspeed to you. But how to pronounce it? How to say this? How to use this? आप उसको use कैसे करोगे? Godspeed to you. What did I say? Godspeed to you. Isn't it? इसका मतलब होता है किसी को आप सक्सेस और सेफ्टी विश करते हो विशिंग समवन सक्सेस एंड सेफ्टी isn't it? Okay. कल तुम्हारा जॉब है मे बी आप नया कुछ कर रहे हो Godspeed to you, my friend. Godspeed to you, sir. Isn't it? Now, let's catch this. This is a very good word. इसको हम क्या fragrant के हिसाब से मान सकते हैं isn't it? Let's try to know it. Efflorescence का क्या मतलब होता है isn't it? आपको सुनने में ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे अगरबत्ती सेंट काइंड ऑफ यस इट्स अ फ्रेग्रेंट वर्ड है ना एफ्लोरेसेंस इट मीन्स ब्लूमिंग एंड फ्लावरिंग इसका एक और मतलब हो सकता है जैसे कभी कभार इट रेफर्स टू दैट वाइट एंड पाउडरी डिपॉजिट्स दैट इट कैन अपीयर ऑन सर्फेसिस लाइक कंक्रीट ब्रिक और जब बहुत कभी देखना बारिश होता है जब बारिश के छींटे पड़ेगा उसमें धब्बे लग जाते हैं वाइट का वो भी एक प्रकार का एफ्लोरेसेंस माना जाता है इजंट इट और कोटिंग के सेंस में भी हम इसको थोड़ा यूज कर सकते हैं isn't it? Let's talk this word. Let's use this word in sentence. Your drawing is in efflorescence now. That means your creativity is in efflorescence now. It's really looking wonderful, and you are doing uh, fab in that work. Okay, the wall was covered in a white efflorescence, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, है ना? ये कब होता है अक्सर? a common sight after a rainstorm. बारिश के छींटे पड़ने से जो धब्बे आ जाते हैं, that way. Efflorescence, isn't it? I guess it's a very good word that you can use in the case of like fragrant. Efflorescence, isn't it? Let's use this. This is a very, very good word. Ethereal. What is that? Ethereal. Huh? Let's try it. Ethereal, which means extremely delicate, which is heavily up. It's a very positive word. आप कई सारे sense में उसको use कर सकते हो. Let's catch this example. This is how I will live on, not in some ethereal spirit form. Take it now. You look ethereal in this outfit. You look ethereal in this outfit. It means you're looking stunning, wonderful, beautiful, isn't it? Thank you. I hope you liked this video. Okay.